Hey guys, the Net Guy here. I'm showing you clips from an app called the Neighbors app. And this was developed by Ring. It's a great app. Even if you don't have a video doorbell, it's a great way to see what's going on in your neighborhood with people that do. So if you've had an issue in your neighborhood or you think you have an issue, go ahead and check out the Neighbors app on iTunes or Android. And you can see videos like this. This lady is just grabbing a package, walking away like nothing happened. This guy is checking door handles in the middle of the night and looking for unlocked cars. One of the scariest ones is right here. This person reported about a month ago, and even before then, that they were getting basically nightly door checks, weekly door checks. And these people, they're ready, they have backpacks. This is another one. The guy comes up to the car and checks all the handles and goes to the other side. This has got to stop. Those images are scary to me. Every time I see that, my heart just kind of jumps because I know that that's somebody that's stealing from somebody else. It's a crime. And it is preventable. Now, the Uniden DB1 video doorbell may not jump out and grab the criminal, but it's going to give you a clear picture of what they look like. It's going to give you some early notice about this. And in many cases, when people see these doorbells, they just turn around and walk away. I'm going to show you 3 things that I really like about the Uniden video doorbell and 3 things that I think they could improve upon and I think you can live with. And lastly, I'm going to show you where you can pick one up for an incredible price. Stick around. Okay, so the 3 things that I really like about the Uniden video doorbell: the price. The price comes in at $49. So there's one supplier I found at $49. I even got mine on sale for like $38 when I bought it. But at worst, you're going to spend around $79 with free 1-day shipping from Amazon. So, that said, how does this compare to the competition? Ring is the undisputed leader in this space, and they have a fantastic product. I'm not trying to talk you away from their product, but it does cost a reasonable amount of money. So the Rings locally around me are $199. The best price I could get on sale was $174. And that included extra batteries and other things that the Ring has with it. But it doesn't include monitoring. It doesn't include the saving of alert videos. So you're going to have to spend an additional $3 a month or $30 if you buy by the year. And so that raises the price with tax back up to $230 or around $200. The next thing I like about the Uniden, it's a very simple 2-wire install and there's no batteries. So I thought about the Ring, but I didn't want to have to sacrifice on the amount of time I could record. If I wanted to record full time, I wanted that option. And second, I didn't want to sacrifice the ability to store and save video if I didn't want to pay a subscription fee, because the device without the ability to store and save video is not really going to help you much. Lastly, I like the clear picture on it. It's upgradable if you want to have a faster frame rate, but even now, I like mine and it's usable for most purposes. Okay, I'll cut to the chase. This thing's got a garbage Amazon review. I understand it, and normally I would walk away, and I was a little hesitant when I bought mine, but I can tell you, after reading the reviews thoroughly, it's very hit and miss. Now that tells me that there could be situations where this device doesn't perform well. There's 2 types of problems that most people complain about. One is the transformer voltage. This is the original transformer from the home where we installed the last video doorbell. It's a 10-volt transformer, and this 10-volt transformer is not enough. So the operation of the device is going to be very erratic. It's going to turn off, it's going to lose connection, it's going to do a lot of things that it was never intended, but it's not going to tell you that your transformer is not strong enough. And I ran into this in my own home. But it's a very simple fix. For $15, you can add an aftermarket transformer with your installation. Adds another 10 minutes or so, but the product's going to work very well afterward. The second thing most people complain about in the Amazon reviews was dropping signal. So once they have enough voltage and the device is running well, their Wi-Fi signal just wasn't strong enough to penetrate outside their house and give good coverage at their front porch. You can remedy that very easily, and Ring and other devices are going to run into the exact same problem. So I would recommend something like this TP-Link extender. This is less than $20 in most cases, and it's going to increase the Wi-Fi signal in your home and may give you more Wi-Fi in some other areas that you didn't expect. So that's a very easily remedied problem, and I don't think that that one is something that should prevent you from buying this device. They could make the registration process much simpler. Right now, you have to scan a QR code, start the registration process, show another QR code to the device, and then go through several steps. It's not difficult, but it is time-consuming, probably the most time-consuming part of the installation. So that's my mini review and recommendation for the Uniden Doorbell video doorbell. Stick around next week and I'm going to have a full installation video posted for you so you can see step by step everything you need to do to install, set up, and use your new doorbell. In the meantime, visit thenetguy.com/doorbell and you can find out where to get one for the lowest price right now. Thanks for watching.